Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. We have a nice system of logs today. Log base 4 of a is equal to log b, and that is also equal to log base 25 of a plus b. We want to solve this system for a and b. Now my friends, the bases are different here. That is 4, 10 and 25. Let me just show you a simple solution. That is equating this system to some x. Then we have log base 4 of a is equal to x. We will have a is equal to 4 to the power of x. And similarly, log b is equal to x will give b is equal to 10 to the power of x. And again, similarly, this log 25 of a plus b is equal to x. Then a plus b is equal to 25 to the power of x. We have this one here, a and b. So just plugging these two into our equation, we will have a famous equation. 4 to the power of x plus 10 to the power of x is equal to 25 to the power of x. I guess you are familiar with such equations. Now we will divide all terms by 25 to the power of x, and then write 4 divided by 25 to the power of x plus 10 divided by 25 to the power of x is equal to, this is 1, let me just write 1. Here we will have, this is 2 squared and this is 5 squared, 2 over 5 squared to the power of x plus, cancelling by 5, this is 2 and this is 5 to the power of x, and this is equal to 1. Lastly, we can interchange these two powers and write 2 over 5 to the power of x and all squared plus 2 over 5 to the power of x, and this is equal to 1. Now let's write t is equal to this 2 over 5 to the power of x. Then we have t squared plus t is equal to 1, and this is also equal to t squared plus t minus 1 is equal to 0. Then we have a quadratic now. Using the quadratic formula, we can write t is equal to -1 plus or minus the square root of -1 squared. Sorry, this is 1 squared. It's the same, but let's write here 1 squared minus 4 times 1 times -1, all divided by 2 times 1. So we will have t equals -1 plus minus the square root of 5 divided by 2. Now remember, t is equal to 2 over 5 to the power of x, so our t is equal to 2 over 5 to the power of x, and this is equal to -1 plus minus the square root of 5 all divided by 2. To find the real solutions, we reject 2 over 5 to the power of x is equal to -1 negative root 5 divided by 2 is rejected. since the exponential function here cannot have negative results, but the other solution is possible. 2 over 5 to the power of x is equal to negative 1 plus root 5 divided by 2. This is positive. So ln'ing both sides, we will have ln 2 over 5 to the power of x is equal to ln, let me write this as root 5 minus 1 over 2. Then x times ln 2 over 5 is equal to ln root 5 minus 1 divided by 2. X is just ln root 5 minus 1 over 2 divided by ln 2 over 5. This is the real solution to our exponential function, but actually we want to solve for a and b. Let me finish the video by finding a and b. A was, let me find, a was 4 to the power of x and b was 10 to the power of x. So finding these x, we can say just a is 4 to the power of this number. This is 4 to the power of ln root 5 minus 1 over 2 over ln 2 over 5. And similarly, b is equal to 10 to the power of x. This is 10 to the power of ln root 5 minus 1 over 2 divided by ln 2 over 5. And that is the end. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.